Kharkongor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Electoral Officer jong ke Jylla uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor habaya keren mat kilat pathai khubor menta kasngi ka arpu paratari ko benai rempang arajar arpulai ulapen bena bakum bakalong menta Hapoh ke Jylla ladon Haduh khat lai Tylli ki Jaka ban penlong ye ke Ñiew vote ha ka ba khat Tylli ki dei ha ka wei pa ka wei ke district kal ba ka wei pat ka dei ha sora civil subdivision. But hagini ki Jaka ba penlong ye ke Ñiew vote an penjor ya ki jing pahara da ka babu ye ki perton pulit ki bakin thop ya ki BSF bat ki CRPF khnang ban la ban penya shakhmat ya ka kam klem gano ke jing penton uli atho ru ban ka liang jong ulawan pet ya ki Jaka babu ye ki kor machine tap vote bat ye ki ni ru la senran bat pahara de ki sipai bat ki pulin kapor ban sedang Ñiew ye ki vote kan dene ro kapor prabaji min step haga artrik ubnai leber but an sedang shwa de Ñiew ya ki postal ballot ne ki kot tap vote penbot pat sa Ñiew ye ki control unit la benrap uba Kharkongor shisho haga por ban Ñiew ye ki vote an don ki nong pet benya ki bala bu de tanat trikam ki ban long Haduh san spa ngun haga be de bat ke East Khasi Hills pat ka balong ka weni ki district ka ba bon tam ki constituencies na kaliang jong ba Kharkongor ula pentip ba ka Jaka Ñiew vote kan long Hapoh ba la Pynkhreh ye jingdon kam ha ka ba ye dei bat ka Ñiew vote
te namata Ñiew vote ngidon Tylli ki counting center angni po state jungi khadar ki dei haki baro ki district capital but kawai bre ka dei Hapoh sora civil subdivision the total ngidon Tylli ki counting center te haman ki counting center la don ki ba bor bahara mo namna ki CPF naliang jong ka election machinery ngila retain ko Tylli ki company jong ki CPF but kini ki long exclusively BSF lani ki CRPF kini ki la long deployed aki man ki counting center manager medru lari chepo ka counting center pa shulong but la yo ban ya page ye jing Pynkhreh tu but la one page ru ko strong room ye EVM te baro ki arrangements ki long as per the protocol kiladon ki CCTV ru kiladon ki CCTV 24/7 te kumba karunga protocol juga ECI enormous EVM ki guard bed ki CAPF te shabar outer perimeter kiladon ki state police te kumta te counting kan sedang nado prabaji step aga Tarik but kan sedang shwa daga Ñiew jong postal ballot kumba julong te hadir sitengenta dari baga Ñiew postal ballot kadang ya ni kinang sedang no hiba simultaneously kinang sedang no ya ka Ñiew jong gini ki control unit but ina Pynkhreh bagi non kuma supposedly ki table per round about 10 tables per round so that is the arrangement and then kila don ki counting observers ru arpunyong ki counting observers kila don but ki micro observer ki banchong ham man ki mate kila don kumba sanspa tamai ini jing Pynkhreh kila ya chai but baro ki district i long kila ya Pynkhreh kan ya ki ibron kam
hakini ki Jaka babu iki ni ki court board EVM ki hab don lang yang ni representative na ki political parties na ki don bitang ni CAPF bangda
ki CAPF ki don bet arposao kanta 24/7 ti political agents ki la banai pet kadon ke logbook ki la ban chulit pet ban chulit jungo da ka singi te buat te ki hab don bet gini ki counting agents ki during polling ki polling agents te haka singi te aga singi Ñiew vote bre ki counting agents te ki counting agents naman ki political party ki should deploy bet par la don ru ka Jaka ka ba la bala Pynkhreh bagin chong bagin pet te kata ka arrangement ka don
tindak sepang ka East Khasi Hills ka babun tam constituency hai ka Jaka ban Ñiew ya ki vote but kumno pin Pynkhreh
ka Jaka the vote ka de histe chepo against men hang te po pulo ground
Jaka Ñiew vote
ha Jaka Ñiew vote mrang no ka de te po pulo te hang tu la ada Pynkhreh lupa ngalawan page menen ru la pihak yaki kamera repair te namanta kini ki Kharkongor constituency mo light no soyong te East Khasi Hills karon Ñiew constituency Tylli constituency ron chipo sora but minta Kadiban ni khatsan ray Hapoh soyong ada adjourn tekan kinyo no namta khatsau tli conference.
Kamu baru kayak Hapoh GN Stadium dah.
Bolo not inside the GN Stadium, dia polo kan.
Mangi kembaka kapnya don kita gi ongoing construction gini tak.
Yeah, kila asna daga dome go be. I mean ka mot kani ka hangar go be. Kila asna daga hangar but minendu lawan page. Yeah, because katu ka mot shiliang ka don ka receiving center. Shikoi ka liang pra ka don counting center. Tikala ya ka plan hi. Tikala don ki Jaka namda ki media ro ka don ka Jaka pinchong. But namda ki counting centers kini ki per AC ladon ki Jaka ki bagila irma but da iba ka arrangement duk ladai kat ka protocol but sakawai Hapoh ki counting hall kin gandon go ka booth ko khat ka VVPAT counting booth VCB te ye kata ka VVPAT counting booth hadin bala adapt kani ka Ñiew vote teng ba ki CU ki control unit te kum bala abo ka protocol jo ka ECI 5 polling stations ginjit at random Ñiew yaki VVPAT slip te hadin bala Ñiew lengba kani ka control unit kin Ñiew yaki VVPAT slip ru 5 machines will be taken up at random begin Ñiew yaki VVPAT counting slips Hapoh itu VCB because so as per the overall voting turnout report, the VTR what we call our total percentage our total voter percentage overall voter percentage is 85.25%. So if you add the percentage with the home voting, as per 12D, that comes to 85.51% minus the postal ballot. So tomorrow, once the postal ballots are counted, then we'll get to know exactly how many. But if we look at it purely from the point of view of overall voter turnout, it's 85.25%. And with 12D, it will become 85.51%. So with postal ballot tomorrow, the numbers will increase slightly. So this is out of 59 ACs. As we all know, one AC is adjourned. So this is the percentage as of 59 poll going ACs. But once we are done with Soyong, then we add the Soyong numbers to this, then we get the overall state picture.
So what is the male, female?
Yeah, so even in terms of enrollment, the enrollment of females is much higher than males. Enrollment stood at about 10,99,000 along with Soyong, and males and the male enrollment it stood at about 10,59,000. But when it comes to the voting part, females of course have again their voting percentage is much higher than the males. In absolute numbers, it's about 9,42,416, and for males about 8,82,330. So even from yesterday, I think when you saw the queues and the lines outside polling stations, it was the female line that was much longer than the male line. So both in terms of enrollment, in terms of voter turnout, the females are numbering much higher than the male counterparts.